The Bible says she was one of the first to witness Christianity's greatest miracle, the resurrection of Jesus. Yet we know almost nothing about the real Mary Magdalene.
She's definitely the mystery woman.
The early church branded her as a whore redeemed by Jesus.
I think everyone has the potential to be a harlot, to be a sinner.
Popular fiction controversially recast her as Jesus' wife and the mother of his child.
In the modern imagination, of course, Jesus and Mary Magdalene are not only close, they're intimate.
But there's another intriguing story about Mary Magdalene, a story you won't find in the Bible. An ancient story that contradicts the New Testament Gospels.
The Gospels wanted to remove Mary from the scene and make her irrelevant.
Another gospel which challenges traditional beliefs and puts Mary Magdalene at the very heart of the greatest story ever told.